Samsung didn't reveal much about its Galaxy glasses during Unpacked, but the company has now shared a few more details. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Samsung's gearing up to launch its first pair of Android XR glasses later this year. The company's already confirmed that the glasses are being developed in partnership with eyewear brands like Warby Parker and Gentle Monster. Fans even had some hands-on time with the device, but until now, Samsung hadn't said anything about pricing. Now, Samsung has shed a little more light on that, and the company says it plans to price the Galaxy glasses at a reasonable level while still positioning them in the premium segment. That doesn't give us an exact price, but it does suggest Samsung's glasses could cost a little more than the Meta Ray-Bans, which are currently at $300 in the US. Samsung also believes its biggest advantage isn't just the hardware but the ecosystem around it. Unlike Meta smart glasses, which are largely designed as a standalone accessory, Samsung says its glasses are being built by a smartphone company, so they'll naturally feel like an extension of the Galaxy phone rather than a separate device. Samsung has already teased those integrations. For example, you'll be able to control the glasses using gestures on compatible Galaxy watches, while photos captured on the glasses can instantly appear as notifications on your Galaxy phone for quick viewing and sharing. Samsung's also taking privacy very seriously. The company confirmed that the glasses will automatically disable recording if the privacy LED is covered or if the glasses aren't being worn, just like Meta recently rolled out a mandatory update for its smart glasses that disables the camera if the recording LED appears to have been tampered with. Samsung still hasn't announced when these Galaxy glasses will be out. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.